Hello friends, welcome to my digital friend YouTube channel. Today we will learn how to make bootable USB setup for Windows 10. For this we need the clean Windows 10 ISO files from the Microsoft site and the Rufus 3.11 software. Open Google Chrome and type Windows 10 ISO file download. Select the top one from Microsoft.com website. Here you can see the section Create Windows 10 Installation Media. Click the Download Load Tool Now button. Now the Media Creation Tool 2004 will be downloaded. After downloading, open containing the folder and double-click on it. Click Accept to continue. There you can see two options. One is upgrade this PC now and the second one is create installation media. Here you will have to choose the create installation media radio button and click next. After that the language architecture and edition selection screen will appear. Select English language, then select Windows 10 edition, then choose the Windows 32-bit or Windows 64-bit or both architecture and click the next button. You can then select whether the USB drive or the DVD drive with DVD or to download the ISO files. Just select the download ISO file and follow the procedure. Open Google Chrome and type Rufus software download link. Select the top one from Rufus website. Here you can see the link Rufus 3.11. Click the link to download Rufus 3.11. I have already downloaded it previously and stored in my hard disk. Open the containing folder and right-click on Rufus 3.11 setup and run as administrator. Now the software open. Insert the pen drive, which size should be minimum of 8 GB. Here you can see the 8 GB pen drive. After that select the ISO of Windows 10 from the folder you saved earlier. You can choose the partition scheme to MB, old hard disk, or choose partition scheme to GPT, SSD or new hard disk, as per your HDD drive architecture. Choose target system as per your partition scheme. Then rename the volume label as per your wish. and click the Start button. It will give a warning message that all the data on the pen drive will be deleted. So be careful to install on a new or blank pen drive. Press OK to start the action. You can see the progress of making USB bootable setup for Windows 10. After completion of 100%, click close and eject your pen drive, which is ready for USB bootable installation of Windows 10. Thank you for watching these tutorials on my Digital Friend channel. Please do subscribe and give your valuable comments so that I can make better videos for more technical issues. Thank you once again.